The quality of Victorinox products are guaranteed through a series of rigorous processes. These include the selection of first-class steel, the selection and treatment of special alloys, and also in-depth laboratory tests to ensure quality. The manufacturing process ensures blade hardness and accuracy. Blades are submitted to 120-ton pressure testing, laser precision tests, and 1900-degree heat treatment. Quality and precision are important. Victorinox blades and products carry the Victorinox guarantee of quality and precision, as they have for the past 100 years.